Hello everyone, it's Chloe here from the Chloe Boost Academy, and today is part 2 of our 3-part series on building a kick sequence. Today we're going to add a tornado kick to our spin 360 hook, and we're going to piece the pieces together. If you haven't seen the jump 360 spin hook kick video yet, I do recommend you watch it first, and I will put the link to this in the comments below. I also do have a tornado kick tutorial, so I will add that in the comments also. And then today we're just going to piece the pieces together. Just a tip for you guys, practice these kicks on both legs, just so you've got the ability to switch and adapt this combination to the best way that suits you. With that being said, let's crack on with today's video. So let's go over the basic principle of the jump 360 spin hook. Starting with our kicking leg in the front, feet one behind the other in our fighting stance, ready to go. We're going to pivot that front foot, lift that back knee into our turning kick chamber, switch the legs, and then spin hook. Moving on, if we want to connect that to our tornado kick, the way in which we do that is by landing that spin hook with our kicking leg in front. So we need to land exactly the same way we went into that kick. To achieve that, what we need to do is cut the spin hook kick short slightly by doing it more on the side instead of in front of us. So here, I'm going to bring that turning kick up, place it down shorter this time to bring up over here my spin hook kick so I can land in front. Again, let's go over those steps. I'm going to pivot that front foot, bring that back knee up. I'm going to exchange and do the switch a little earlier, and then the hook kick comes out to the side so I can then land with that kicking leg in front. Now once I have the kicking leg in front, all I'm going to do is take a step, continue the pivot round in the same direction, pick up the kicking leg, which was the spin hook kick before, and then from there do my tornado. So as you can see, that's why I said it's very important to be able to do these kicks on both sides, because you will need to do one kick on one leg and the other kick on the other leg. And that's to continue the rotation all the way around, so you're spinning the same way throughout this sequence. You can unwind and come back on yourself if you really have to, but it might not give the same effect you're looking for. So let's step it up a gear this time and combine both kicks with small jumps. My kicking leg is in the front. I'm going to pivot that front foot, bring that back knee up, and then I'm going to jump, switch and hook kick, and then put that foot in front. From there, I'm going to do my step, and then I'm going to pick up that back knee into my tornado kick. It's as simple as that. The most intricate part of combining these two kicks are just the steps in between the two jumps. Once you figure that bit out and you've worked your two kicks individually, they should combine, lock in, and be a nice little short combination for you to practice. There you have it guys, part 2 complete. Next week we'll be adding some kicks on the end, so make sure you tune in to watch. I hope you're enjoying this mini series, and I'll catch you next time. Goodbye.